Hi, good afternoon. I'm currently on break, so this is how your girl is working from home today. I'm wearing my robe and I'm just working. It's been very stressful morning, a lot of things to do, but yeah, I wanted to stop in here and quickly talk to you guys. Just in case you're seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. Please do to hit the thumbs up button. It's very important. And again, I want to appreciate you guys for the current likes on my video. It's really been showing, it's helping, it's just making me more motivated to put out more content. So thank you guys. And if you're an old-time subscriber, I appreciate you being here. Many of my friends that I'm meeting here again. Feels good to be back. But yeah, today is Tuesday and I'm currently on break. I've not eaten anything since morning, so I'll quickly go grab breakfast or brunch. I like to eat brunch. I used to eat breakfast a lot, but now I do mostly brunch, which is breakfast slash lunch. So that's what I'm going to have. Then come back and continue working and close up. Once at the end of close of work, I have something to pick up from Amazon. I will put it. I'll show you guys once I get it. It's, in fact, let me just say it's nothing. It's not a big deal. It's the other color of the bag I told you guys I was going to get. I told you I ordered two. One was on Amazon Prime and the other one wasn't. So the one that is not on Amazon Prime took a long time to get here, and that is what we're going to pick up. We're going to pick that up, then I'll just take the kids out so they play a little bit and we just do a little sightseeing and come back home. So we're going to pick up that bag. I might end up keeping the two if it's very beautiful, because I was saying I wanted just one. There's no point keeping two of the same bag, but I might end up keeping the two bag. And yeah. Today is Sunday. I'm in church. I brought the kids out here to play. Let them play, and after that, I have the plan of going to have brunch again. So I wanted to take them to Chick-fil-A for brunch, but they said they want Popeye. They had Popeye yesterday. I'm sure you guys saw that in that vlog, but now they want Popeye again. Then yeah, as I still have a couple of, in fact I think I'm just going to, after we come back home, I'm just going to include my vlog. I have some vlogs I vlogged last week that I have not put out, that I went to Zara and oh, so sorry, that hurt, sorry. That I went to Zara. The boy fell down, so that I went to Zara, so I'm going to include that in this video just for your information. But yeah, it's a cold, sunny, it's cold, it's spring anyway, so I'm not surprised with the weather. So I'm just waiting for the kids to finish up, and then we are off to Popeye, because that's what they want. Ryan said Popeye is killing me, like really. I said Chick-fil-A because I like Chick-fil-A. I like the fries. I like the chicken nuggets, fries, and I also like their mac and cheese is actually good too. So I like it. But Ryan said no, Popeye. So I might end up going to Popeye. Hey guys, good afternoon. It's almost afternoon now, but yeah, I'm on break, and oh my god, you guys see the lighting. One of the reasons why I really want to move from here is because the lighting here is terrible. The lighting in this apartment is terrible. But again, sometimes you just have this beautiful light that comes in, and you're like, it's Friday. I don't know if I told you guys, but my kids are on spring break. From the last time I posted a video to now, which is like a week time, they're on spring break. So they've been at home. Oh, thank God that I'm working from home the whole of this week, and I've been able to stay with them. So the 1 week spring break is going to come to an end. I will be quickly going to Target. I want to go get stuff, weekly stuff in Target. That's where I shop for my stuff. Then I also want to get ink for my printer. You guys, tell me that this printer, the ink does not last at all. Like, I use the HP Dex Jet 4155E printer. It does not last. I'm sorry if the lighting is going up, it's coming down. Natural lighting for you. It doesn't last at all. Like, see, it's empty. So I need to go and change it. And I heard it's quite expensive. I haven't bought it before, so I'll go and buy it now. I also want to, once I'm done from Target, I want to also get to Zara, try on some stuff for you guys, see what they have in store, and yeah, maybe come back home tomorrow. My plan is to just relax. I don't think I'm going to cook. I always say that, but I end up cooking because why not? You're a mom, you have kids, you have to cook. But yeah, that's the plan for the weekend, and Sunday hopefully church and relax again. Oh, tomorrow I'll do laundry. So Saturday I have to do laundry. So I want to just come here and give you guys my weekend itinerary of what I have to do, my to-do list for the weekend. I love her. I think you love her too. We need a date. Right? Hi. You can say hi with the puppy. Look. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. She's so pretty. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know if I told you guys, but my kids love dogs. I used to love dogs. I still love them though. But the love my kids have for dogs is just unreal. I'm here at Trader Joe's. Let me sit down, please. I'm at Trader Joe's and trying to get some stuff for the house for the week. So I'll talk to you guys once I get to the car, because I think the music in the background is too much. So cute. Happy Easter. So cute. I love it. Here again. I'm trying to look for something for Zara. She has this, but I wanted something smaller that she can use for the daycare. She's starting daycare again, guys. Spring break is over, so she needs to go back to daycare. So I'm looking for. She has. Oh my God, Zara will not let me talk, guys. She has a lunch box or plate, whatever they call it. But I needed something new, something different. Well, looks like you don't have anything. Look at my water bottle. It's not Stanley, but I like it. Yes. You guys, this is so cute, and it's just how much? How much is this? $5. So cute. Water bottle, very nice. I don't see anything, guys. This is just like, how would I buy this thing? $16, $12. It's not even practical. What can fit into this thing? So I just need something that this is looking good. It's just $7. See, something like this. Let me check. A bowl that she can use for yogurt. Then yes. So this thing cannot fit anything. I thought it had like this thing is just going to fit like condiments like nuts or maybe even fruits. It's too small. But I love it. Guys, I have two of this at home. Two of this. This is cute though. Well, I have two of this at home and I've not hung it. It's still just in my room. This is nice for spring though. Just a little color in your space. See how it looks from afar. It looks nice. And just in case you guys are wondering, this is the one I have in my living room. Two of this. So yeah, I got it from Target. This is nice too, but it's just too ordinary. Like there's nothing going on there. Guys, this is so nice. It's actually maternity bowl. This is me falling in love with maternity wear. Like for the spring, guys. What do you guys think? The set's $26. Skirt and top. Good morning, welcome back. Today is Saturday and I just wanted to end this vlog here, but before that I want to do a quick haul and show you guys what I got from the Trader Joe's haul. Trader Joe's slash Target slash a little bit of Walmart. I got some stuff from Walmart. I think just a little bit. I'll show you guys quickly. I will quickly talk through the vlog because Trader Joe's is one place I like to go if I want to get food that is fast, like, and everything here is ready to go meals like this. My kids love this mac and cheese from Trader Joe's. You guys, my kids love it so much. Just something to last us for the week because I'm not really in the mood of cooking this week, so I feel like four of this. And I also love this Trader Joe's fried rice. Guys, if you are in the US and you haven't shopped anything from Trader Joe's, just get this fried rice. If you're a family person, you have kids, this is just add your vegetable oil and add the fried rice. Everything is ready. The chicken and everything. It's so delicious and very easy to prepare. So I got 4 of the fried rice as well. Yeah, I got 4 more. That's basically what I got at Trader Joe's. I'll quickly show you guys the things I got from Target and Walmart. I will not be talking through, so let me show you.